Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. Shoulders.
Yeah.
What? What's mommy doing? 2008 Ranger.
All right. Oops. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. Let me learn how to use the camera properly. We are. Hi, here. It's Vishaun of Vishaun for Real, and Vivian of Vishaun for Real. Yeah, so it's the weekend and we have a fun packed day. Well, I won't say packed day, but we have a few places to go. We're gonna go eat for lunch. We're gonna go to Build-A-Bear, hopefully, and Vivian can create her own teddy bear. And then and then guess what, guys? I received a package from Teami Blends to start my 30-day detox. Yes, I start my 30-day detox. I am so excited. I'm going to open it and see what they got me, and then what I'll do is I will share my code because I have a 30% off code to share with all my followers. So I'll be doing a few things throughout the day. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video if you care. Yeah, share this video if you care. So stay tuned.
She ripped one out.
She did? It's okay.
Why?
One time, it was almost like shutting down. And we were like one of the only people. You remember our server? And mashed potatoes and veggies.
What kind of lobster? Like, I think it's at the bottom on the third page.
Lobster tail dinner.
Mama. Fifi.
What's she saying?
Nobody.
No.
Just so you know.
I should have just sent them to you though.
Ow.
Ow.
Wow. Wow.
Table manners.
Let's go again. Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. Shoulders.
Yeah.
Hey.
Alright, so we are heading to the Oshawa Centre. That's Oshawa, Ontario, in Oshawa, Ontario. to find the Build-A-Bear store. And I heard, get off here. I stopped myself. We're going to the Build-A-Bear store. Also, I heard that Zara is closing. Is that true? Somebody hit me up and let me know if that's actually true. But anywho, we're going to the Build-A-Bear, the mall, to get to the Build-A-Bear for Vivian to make her own little bear. And then we're going to watch a movie. Not at the movies, but in the comfort of home. All right?
Well, hello. How are you guys?
Well, thank you.
Hi. Have you guys been here before?
No, never.
Oh, okay. So I can explain how it works. You start over here. All the bears you can make are on the wall.
Okay.
And you'll see the prices are in front of the bears. So that includes the bear and the stuffing. So clothes and accessories are sold separate.
Okay.
So you just pick your bear and then they'll stuff it for you at the machine.
Okay.
Yay! So excited.
Yes, yes.
If you have any questions or need help, just let one of us know.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we are here at Build-A-Bear in Oshawa. So Vivian can build her own bear. So they said that when you pick your own bear, like any one of these, and then what happens is you of course you build as you go along, and then you can put clothes on them. So the bears are about $27, and then the outfits are sold separately, so if you want to dress them up or anything like that. But they do have a variety of options, from like Baby Yoda to Bowser. They have Pikachu. They also have Olaf. They have the Poppy from Trolls. So they have quite a bit that you can choose from. Which one's that? Is that Lilo and Stitch?
Yeah.
And then the character from Lilo and Stitch. So they have a few things that you can choose from. And even,
I like Nala.
where is it? Oh yeah, they even have young Nala and minions in here. So you can choose, you have a variety of options. So I'll see what Vivian decides. We're trying to get her to go around, but she's trying to run out of the mall, as you can see. So let's see what she does.
I like the leapfrog.
You see the noises? Vivian, which one do you want? You think we'll put her in overalls?
You think that'll look good?
I don't know.
Legs? Yeah.
It's not.
No, I'll pick that. See, she just wants to run. She doesn't care about this.
I think it works.
So where's his arms to keep up the overall? Okay.
I don't know. It's not like these ones that have actual like
Arms, yeah.
arms.
Yeah.
Okay, so you think it's not gonna hold up the arms? So I don't think we should get this one.
Exactly.
So I think which one do you like?
You're asking a big man a big question, right? It's a big
What do you
question.
think? What do you think?
I'm not gonna pick a teddy bear.
What? Really?
I'm a big man. All right, big man.
Soft big man. Big choices. That one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this one.
That's CB4.
All right, so I found the outfit. Got the headband. That's so cute. The shoes. Oh, nice. And the skirt. Oh, sick. The tutu. Yeah. And love. And love. Nice. And
oh yeah.
Hold it by your side so it's always by your side. Wave for pretty knees so your bear always with you. Hold it up high in the sky. And hold it down to your heart. Close your eyes, make a big wish. Alright, flip your bear over and put it right in front of the flag. Awesome. I'll push it right up to the chest for you and get it all stitched up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doesn't matter which one's left or right.
Well, what's your problem?
Mitchell, can you add a heartbeat to your tag?
Oh, sure. What's the
12471 3.
12471 3. Sorry, I was gonna add a heartbeat to your tag.
Oh,
You got a heartbeat, right?
yes.
Yep.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Thank
You
you.
need help adjusting it at all? Doing okay?
I think.
Yeah.
Is it like the? Is there a special? It doesn't matter what
That's
foot,
usually
right?
how I do it.
Okay.
Just force it on.
Oh, okay, maybe I'm can you do it?
Really?
I don't know. It's your moment.
I know.
You're recording anyway, so good job. Take time.
Newborn?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need to get the birth certificate. It's a newborn. thank you.
I
Thank
think
you.
you should just like start modeling and displaying teddy bears for them. You're good.
Right?
You're good.
All right. All right, so we're going to name Vivian's bear. We're gonna show you when it comes on, okay? So we're gonna name it. We need a card? Furry friend tag. Where's the tag? Help! Oh, never mind. Everyone knows it.
Today's birthday.
Today's March 5th. Are you sure? Perfect. Oh, sideways. There we go. All right, thank you. Here, go ahead. All right, so we did the Build-A-Bear. We're leaving now, so we're gonna go home, watch a movie.
Two.
Huh? Okay, we're gonna home and watch 2 movies. And then, I'll show you some of the stuff I got from Teami. So you can save 30% as well. So we have Ellie, safe and sound with her birth certificate. She weighed 226 grams when she was born. Vivian, your little baby.
Featherweight.
Huh?
Featherweight.
I know, featherweight, literally. All right, so sit tight, stay tuned for the rest of our day. Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah. Here's Ellie.
Her name is Ellie. She was born
Today.
March 5th, 2020.
She's an endemic baby.
And nice one. Woohoo! It is movie time. So we're gonna watch, what are we watching? Dune?
Yeah.
All right, 2021 version, not 1984. Dune it is. All right, so sit tight and enjoy the ride. All right, let's see. Let's take that out. All right, so there we go. Let the journey begin. Ooh-wee. So excited. Ooh-wee.